precision, and speed. They're more vital than ever to manufacturers today. Internet-connected manufacturing technology gives you both. Yet, when everything is connected, your business is suddenly vulnerable in ways it never was before. Think about it. Digital controls allow you to set specs all along your production line. Connected sensors monitor specific functions, ensuring precision and quality of everything you produce, from components to finished products. When customer needs change, you can change specs and quickly send signals to every connected machine. It's fast, it's efficient, it's precise, but it can be risky. Imagine a disgruntled former employee who wants to build his new business by hurting yours. He hacks into your network and changes a few machine settings to throw off the specs, damaging production equipment or causing faulty products to be made. Not only could you be responsible for the damages caused by faulty products, you could also lose business, and your reputation could be damaged. Don't let this happen. Prepare for the risks with Travelers. We have risk management specialists to help you protect your people, your equipment, and your business from the risks of connected manufacturing. Contact your Travelers representative today.